Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, October 5th. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. We do got one item here on the economic calendar. As you can see here, I highlighted it here. This is ISM non-manufacturing, which is the service industry, PMI for the month of September. So back in October, or I'm sorry, rather back in August, we had a 57.8. Anything above 50 is considered expansion. Forecasters count for a slight dip to 56.3, and it did dip, but not quite to the forecast, luckily. It just dropped down to a 56.9. So decent number, even though it did come off a little bit from previous month, but it's still above 50 in the expansion territory. So this is obviously good, relatively decent news here. Let's jump ahead to the headline news. Stocks are up. It's taking its cue mostly more geopolitical. We got the POTUS, looks like he might be leaving the hospital, Walter Reed, with improving conditions from the coronavirus. So that's obviously good news. Of course, investors are looking at the polls as to, between Trump and Biden. So they're looking at that. And then also keeping their eye on the stimulus package, if there's one going to be coming or not. Even the president put a tweet out there basically saying work together and get this done. Basically, they all feel that this is a needed program, but of course both sides are kind of digging in, and we'll have to see if they can compromise and get a deal out there to help the American people. Let's jump ahead to see how this is affecting the bond market and what mortgage rates are doing today. We've been testing. We were down 22 basis points. We were testing the 50-day and 25-day moving average, which is a double layer here, which gives us a pretty strong support. So we're down about 22 basis points, which translated to worse pricing. So rates did go up a little bit today. Mortgage rates rose as a result. So this will probably be, if you want to put it in context, it'll probably be closer to about 1/8 of a percent in the rate, approximately. Let's take a look here at yields. Yields shot way up here. As you can see, this is what's driving the pushing rates higher. As yields have jumped up, and we jumped up above this technical level here. We're already up about 0.76 right now, and that's where we are. We'll have to wait and see if this maintains itself or if it can kind of come back and see which direction, if this is going to be a strong boost or not. But in any case, we have a strong push on yields right now, which is adding pressure to mortgage-backed securities. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap. If you guys want to stay tuned, there are some. I'll leave a link and also in the description. You can go on that link, and if you're in the market for refinance or purchase, got questions about mortgage programs, different things about the process, please feel free to go ahead and click on there. And if we don't have the answer on that program page, you'll have my information. I'm a loan officer, and the company I'm with is a national lender. So you can reach out to me. I'll be more happy to answer any questions you guys may have. We can help you with your refinance for pricing, or if you're shopping around, we can help you out with that. We can also give you a pre-approval, get you pre-approved so you can buy your next property. So when you see a property you want and need that pre-approval letter, show that you got the financing available to you, we can help you with that, with the financing of the property. So please feel free to reach out in that capacity as well. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.